We are here today with Origin PC at CES 2020. Brand new product they just announced called the Big O. Basically a Frankenstein's monster that combines a gaming console, a PC, and the ability to stream both in one very cool looking box. This isn't the first time Origin PC has tried this concept, but its previous efforts with the Big O were more prototypey, expensive to build and to buy. And though the company has long emphasized the space-saving benefits of such a two-in-one device, I don't buy it. You could pick up an absolutely killer gaming PC and Xbox and duct tape them together for a lot less money. No. With the 2020 Big O, Origin PC is aiming squarely at fledgling bedroom streamers looking for an easy plug-and-play, all-in-one solution. If you're a kid who's hungry to put your PC and console gaming exploits on YouTube without dealing with all the hardware headaches, this could be the easiest way to make it happen. The 2020 edition of the Big O comes in two versions, and you can get it with a PS4, Pro, or the Xbox One S. And yes, new versions of both of those consoles are coming later this year. Origin PC, known for its generous warranty and support terms, suggested to me that customers could plausibly send the Big O back to the company for retrofitting when the new consoles launch. Origin PC is also known for its limitless customization options, and the company has brought that spirit to the Big O. You can have the company reconfigure the consoles with SSDs instead of the traditional spinning hard drives noobs use. Clearly, this device is not for those amateurs. The Big O starts at $24.99, and the Elgato 4K 50 Pro capture card, which you'll need to stream your games, will tack on an additional several $100. Origin PC's Big O is available starting today for $2,500. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned to CNET for more news from CES 2020.